What's up everyone? Welcome to Trade Talk Media. I am 7-Star Mike, and today I've got for you a trader tip and a long-term investment thesis based on options flow. That options flow in the chart coming up, but first, let's get to our trader tip. Today's trader tip was given to us by Maria. Now, she gave me this one probably 6 or 7 years ago, and this is one of the best things that ever happened to my trading. The tip: take the profit and loss off your screen. The reason for that is a lot of new traders like to trade based on the dollar amount they're up or down. So maybe they have a $250 stop loss, or their goal is to make $1,000. The problem is those numbers are arbitrary. The market doesn't know or care what your entry is or what dollar amount you want to make, or that you're willing to lose for a stop loss. So what you need to do is base your trades based on the chart. Support and resistance, supply and demand will tell you where to get in and out. A lot of times people will stop out of a trade based on a dollar amount, and then 2 minutes later it goes on to run without them and they're all upset. The reason that happened is because there was a support level just below where they stopped out that they didn't allow the chart to go and test. So remove the profit and loss from your screen, let the chart get you in and out of trades, and the dollar amount that comes with it will be the right dollar amount for proper trade management. So get that profit and loss off your screen. Thanks, Maria. Okay, let's move on to our investment thesis. This is a longer term, 2-year time frame for NVDA, NVDA. So they put $3.37 million into the June 2024 175 strike and about $735,000 into the 180 strike, both for June 2024. Now, NVIDIA was trading at about 173 when these came in, and after hours Friday market closed at 181.90. So these moved up a little bit already, but this is a 2-year time horizon, so there's still room to go. Let's take a look at the chart and see what we're looking at. So here's the daily chart on NVIDIA. We're going back about a year on this one to point out the support and resistance levels that are going to make sense for this trade. So you can see we had this peak over here, which Friday acted as resistance again. So let's put a line there. And if you look back here, that's going to be support there, resistance, support, resistance, resistance. So that 181.44 area is going to be a key level that we want to watch. We definitely want to stay above that level. Next, moving up, we can see this peak over here. So if we put a line at that candle there, moving back, you can see that was a support area there, acting as a little bit of resistance there, a little bit of resistance there. So that level's 195.92. We want to keep an eye on that. And then coming over here, you can see this bottom candle right there, that wick. It was about the same there and about the same there. They're not exactly, those are a little bit off, but close enough. And you can see it was resistance here and resistance here, support there. So that level at 206.50 is an area that we want to watch. Remember, these were at the money, 175 and 180. So if it hits 206.50, that trade is going to be looking pretty nice. Now, what about to the downside? Well, we've got this clear red candle here that stops. We're on a nice upswing and then it pulls back there. That's where it stops and then moves up again. So that level is going to be 165.33. Now, if you're in a 175 or 180, you don't want to see it drop that much. But again, this is a little different because these are so far out. The expiration is 2024. You can give this one some wiggle room. There is plenty of time for it to recover. If it would drop, those are the levels I'm looking at for this NVIDIA trade for 2024. So there you go, folks. We've got a long-term bullish trade thesis on NVIDIA. We've got a trader tip to help you increase those profits. I am 7-Star Mike, and once again, thank you for watching Trade Talk Media.